Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, well, we are taking a look at Sofi Technologies. This thing is in a really good bull run. And as we'll take a look at the levels and the price action going into earnings next week, what are the possibilities that Sofi can give us? Now, I definitely want to see the price action tomorrow as well, that is on Friday, but we do have a lot of elements already building up towards the earnings and what usually happens when a price action is of such type. I'll discuss more about that over the weekend, but for what I have in the price action right now, I'll still give an indication of what is likely going to evolve in the price action. And also, let's use this opportunity to take a look at intraday's near-term price action as for what the trades, bullish or bearish, what could be taken. Well, the spoiler is we are just bullish right now. If you have been seeing my videos that I mentioned right up over from here that guys, we are turning bullish, buckle up, buy. I talked about it on my channel. If you missed out, you missed out. Well, again, it's not about missing out. It's about understanding the price action and accordingly start having a stop loss, building a position. And if you missed out, no problem. We had a pullback yesterday. I gave you this blue box up on the top as well, $17 area. I said that this is the day I talked about it again. Any pullback is just fine. We just got a pullback. And look at it. Today we are just getting bought back up again. Overall structure on Sofi still is just bullish. All right. No problems. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. There is also a really good discount ongoing if you want a shorter membership as well, 6 months. Details are in the description below of this video. All right, there's a discount ongoing. You will love this discount. Don't forget to check out the link I'm telling you. All right, anyways, now, so we, as I said, just are in the bullish structure. I just showed you the structure on the daily interval overall. Let's get to the hourly interval. Blue box gave us a really good support. We are forming, the base here really nicely. Yesterday, yes, we did come down, but today we are again bullish. Why so? Because yesterday was a pullback day. That did change the structure on the negative for the day trade. But today, what are we seeing? Just continuing higher up. At this point, Sofi is still just bullish, guys. Yes, the significant level $18. After this level, we do have the significant level of $19.80. And technically, Sofi has a room to continue all the way there. For intraday tomorrow, even if, let's say tomorrow, if we do any pullback, but if we stay above still $17.70 area, you are still better off trading the pullback back again to the upside. In other words, structure is not going to be weakening on Sofi, even intraday, as long as we continue to stay even tomorrow above $17.70 area. We are just beautiful on Sofi. I'm just going to clean up the chart a little bit because some of the areas that we don't need this blue box anymore. And yeah, and well, so the range remains above like $19.80 as for the near term, and then definitely level by level. But what things are building up, in my opinion, until earnings so far is we might see a gap up, and it's all because this thing is looking like in a gap up. And even if, and as I said, I want to see a price action tomorrow as well, but I don't think much would change. But even if we gap down, because no one knows what's going to happen through the earnings, let's say even if we gap down after earnings and we managed to stay above $15.63, yeah, I should not have removed that box because we'll be needing that. And even if we would have, if we would stay above this $15 area, that will still keep Sofi bullish. It's not going to make it bearish, even if we gap down. But we stay above this $15 range. So that's how strong Sofi is. You can use this as a channel. That was a bull flag. I did mention it before. I'm just drawing it out here so that you can use this as a reference as well. But anyways, all looking great on Sofi, and weekly interval, as I have been saying, we have been just bullish, and this is a really good strong price action. Let's take a look at my tools again here. Structure just remained bullish. A really nice pullback. A really nice, beautiful pullback. Loving it. All right, guys, that's all I have for Sofi. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools and the discount, that you would love it. It's for limited time only. Links are in the description of this video. All right, take care. Bye.